general equation, standard equation of a circle is represented as x minus h whole square plus y minus k whole square is equal to r square. Now, this we have already done it, where h comma k coordinates of center and r is radius. Now, let us find the equation using the identities. Now, this becomes x square negative of 2hx plus h square plus y square negative of 2ky plus k square is equal to r square. Now, what we can do it? We can just write it x square minus twice of hx plus h square plus y square negative of 2 times k of y plus k square negative of r square is equal to 0. Now, substituting g is equal to negative of h, f is equal to negative of k and c is equal to h square plus k square negative of r square. Now, we have to substitute these things in above equation. Now, what we are getting? X square plus y square plus 2gx plus 2fy plus c is equal to 0. Now, listen to this negative of h, we have got taken g. So, negative of h is g, so this becomes 2gx. Negative of k, it is f, so this becomes 2fy. Now, h square k square, we have already mentioned h square plus k square negative of r square, this we are taking as a c. So, we are getting an equation now. Hence, required general equation of a circle is x square plus y square plus 2gx plus 2fy plus c is equal to 0. This is the required